Come test drive the 2019 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, remote vehicle start, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, HD radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.